You see, this family told their entire love story using nothing but shoes. It all started in 2010 when the boy played soccer and the girl secretly had a crush on him. 4 years later, in 2014, they finally had their first date, a game of mini golf. For the next 2 years, she studied to become a nurse, while he went on a church mission. Then, in 2017, they finally got married. In 2019, they had their first baby. After moving to Hawaii, they had their second child, a little brother for the girl. And that's their story, though still no one liked or subscribed.